Haukiba Thagayagi Mamangdagi suspension of Operation Sugi Chatna Kanglon Tugaiduna Lakliba Su Insurgent Group Amataga Central Government Ka Wari Sanadanaba Manipur Gi BJP Gi MLA RK Imona Fongdorakli MLA Asina Video Gi Kuthang da Fongdorakpagi Matungina Manipur Thokliba Irang Asigi Maram Amasu Oiriba Sugi Chatna Kanglon Tugaidi Palal Holup Singa Wari Sanabana Manipur Miyam Gi Afanungaiba Purakloi Madugi Mahutta CSO Singa Wari Sanabada Taram Nokpagaloinana Maduda Lamdamasida Santi Purakani Haibagi Thazaba Fongdorakli. Su Chatnariba Lalholup Singa Center Ga Sanaki Puwari Gi Matang the Paladuna, Wadi Sanaki Baduda, Manipur Gi Stakeholder Yahangadabane, Manipur Gi Lady Balangak Asi, Kwaidiki Major Oriba, Stakeholder Amani Haina Fongdorakli. Panbaya Badi, India Langak Amadi, Su Chatnariba, KNO Amadi UPF Ki Marakta Sanaki Puwari Adugi Matangda, Kokomina Akan Mamongda, Yaning the Bufongdokibane.
My only appeal to the central government is that the central government should not be indulging in any kind of talks to these groups who have violated ground rules. Any talks to these groups who have violated ground rules have been a part of violence in the last couple of months. I think the people of Manipur will not be very positive to hear such kind of news. On the other hand, any kind of talks with any groups, any civil society is welcome to ensure that there is peace in the state of Manipur so that we bring normalcy in our state. I also read an article recently in the Wire stating about the government of India's talks with few Sioux insurgent groups. Few people were asking me, are you aware of the details of the talks? Yes, we are aware of the information regarding these talks because we know it is an open discussion. But as far as the details of the talks are concerned, we have no idea at all what is there. Whether the state government will be having any idea regarding it, they are aware, the state government is aware of the talks, no doubt. The details in the talks, I'm not too sure whether the Chief Minister or the state government would be knowing. On the other hand, these talks, if it's to be finalized, I guess the stakeholder has to be consulted, and the state government is a major stakeholder as far as Manipur is concerned. So any kind of decision without the knowledge of the state government, I don't think it's going to happen. So we will see what kind of discussions are to be taken from here and the positives out of it, and we all will work and ensure that there is peace in the state. As I said earlier, any kind of peace talks and discussions are welcome, but it has to be in a very strategized manner, in a manner where all sections of the society are involved and we can all work together and bring peace in the state, and we stop violence.